We can't welcome in the new season without a smidge seasonal outfits video.
The sun is out, it's boiling hot. 5 seconds later, rain, hail. Should we do a tie? Is the sky blue? Oh, okay, so I'm naked.
Whew. I need to take my shirt off.
A blue jean, a cold beer.
What do you think? I think it goes really well, actually.
But do I want to do leg warmers? What a stupid question.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I'm not sure if you've looked outside the window recently, but spring is here. Spring has been here. Yesterday, 8 p.m. light outside? Yeah, we can't welcome in the new season without a smidge seasonal outfits video. So here we are. Okay, for this first one, it's kind of inspired by something I've been wearing recently.
The main piece that I want to style for the first outfit is this t-shirt that I got at a charity shop in Brighton. It's originally urban, which is fun, but I stopped wearing it because as I've been wearing more like mask fashion, it's a little bit too form-fitting for me. I'm really enjoying the half-tone like polka dot kind of thing. So I thought, why not try and challenge myself and style this in an outfit that's not like super femme. I know I have a shirt that goes perfectly with this. Okay, so I wore it recently, so yes, it was on my floor. Sorry, don't care. This and this. Could do this over the shirt, but the main thing about spring weather is that it's unpredictable. In the UK, spring is like, the sun is out, it's boiling hot. 5 seconds later, rain, hail. 5 seconds later, rainbow. Sun is out, and the day will start with like fog. So these outfits need to be versatile. I'm gonna need to strip off layers depending on when the sun is out. So let's do maybe this over, and also I really like the fit of this. Is very flowy. It just gives exactly. Now this is kind of yellow, so should we do a tie? Should we do a tie? Is the sky blue? That and that. Yeah, okay. Now I could put it on like this. Oh, idea. Okay, so this could be like a versatile outfit. So say you're out all day, and when you go out, it's peak middle of the day, it's hot. So we're gonna have this and this open, and maybe this like on your hip. Maybe it gets even hotter, you tie this around your waist or around the top. That could be fun. But then it kind of, the sun starts to set, it gets in the evening, now it's cold. You're gonna put the shirt on properly, do the shirt up with the tie on. An outfit that changes, an outfit that adapts, an evolving outfit, survival of the fittest outfit. Oh, okay, so I'm naked, so I need trousers or jeans or shorts. I'm tempted to do a yellow short, but maybe because we don't want to do summer, which is like shorts, maybe we do like long jorts, because like that's spring. This beautiful pair, which are actually so long, but and thanks for all the fish. This is such an accidental banger. Try that on.
You start the day, you're out. You're like, woo, having a fun time. Awesome, color coordinated. Then peak lunchtime. It's getting a little bit hot. You're like, whew, I need to take my shirt off. Okay, whoa.
You could do a little this action. That's kind of cool. Don't know if it's for me. You got the classic. And then the sun starts to set, it starts to go in. You're like, oh, damn, getting a bit chilly. So you do your buttons up.
It's fun. You can do it all the way up and have it like this. You can have it looser and have the original shirt still showing through. It's versatile. It evolves. It's awesome. Also paired it with my watch that I made in DIY Accessories 3, I think. Very fun. It's giving Pokemon Evolutions outfit. Incredible.
I've been number 2. Because we just did shorts, should we do jeans? Do you know what? I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to be lazy. Let's do my most recent pair of jeans, just because I've just picked up these pair of jeans and they already have a belt and a tie on it. I'm sorry, I'm being cheeky. But this is quite dark. Spring is like... And this is like... Should we lean in? Okay, well, I'm wearing this. Let me move this. Do I have a grey t-shirt? Do I? Yeah, I do. But this is too grey. Maybe a darker shirt is okay. Can we lighten it up though? No, but we could do stripes. I've been really loving stripes recently. I do have this, ooh, good way to layer in the spring/summer. Still doing the long sleeve with a short sleeve, but really thin layers. That's really obvious. Hey, don't reinvent the wheel. So let's do my thin grey. I got this from Vinted. Fun, and it has a hood. It's one of these hoods that's like, you are just there for no reason, because what is that doing? But let's put something over this. I'm not gonna lie, I did get, this is not sponsored. I DM'd them on Instagram and begged I got signed some clothes from Cool Shirts. This guy feels really cool. So maybe we wear my new t-shirt, which I have already worn once. So it is on my floor, but I'm going to pick it up now. Yeah, well, it being on the floor means it's not clean because it's been on the floor. But like, it's not dirty. You know, everybody knows. I really like it because it's like edgy, but it says baby girl on it. Wait, oh, wait, of course, what? Why didn't I think of that? Except I did. It's just, but of course you put an edgy t-shirt over a stripy. This tie doesn't really go with it, but I'm leaving it on the jeans because I think it looks cool. Let's do that. Fetch me their soul.
I'm actually so happy with how this turned out. Sometimes I feel like we do this every time we do a outfits video, but sometimes less is more, and it's almost like I learn that lesson every time. But sometimes it really is just about wearing jeans and a t-shirt with a long sleeve underneath. I'm so sorry for dissing this hood because I actually do kind of like it. The flimsiness of it all kind of adds to the whole vibe. I don't know. I'm really into this. I think this is fun. I would definitely be wearing this. I think it's cool, and it's very comfortable and not too hot because it's thin. 5 stars.
Every now and then I look at my hair, it's either, oh, that looks sick, or, okay, Princess Diana. Sound off in the comments below. Well, speaking of actually, something else I got in that package was a very cool bag, which I'm yet to style. This is said bag. You can see why I got it now, because it's a rabbit, obviously. If this is the main event, it does have red and white and black on it. I don't want to do red because I don't think I want to do an edgy outfit. I think I want to make this cute. And also, if the outfit isn't edgy but this is there, it makes it more of a statement. It's like, oh, and the bag is cool. Well, I have a white t-shirt. If we're just doing like styling new stuff, I did get this t-shirt from Vinted the other day. You need to move out of the way, lady. I'm so sorry. It's this animal t-shirt. New keyword I like to search for on Vinted is animal. Don't buy them when they're like £12. It's ridiculous. This was £4. I just like their logo, and they have a lot of like, you know, that weird patterned overlay older brother in Disney Channel show kind of vibe, you know, that style that I really like. It has a lot of t-shirts like that. So I just do a baggy blue jean. I mean, realistically, in like the summer I would just wear jeans and a t-shirt and accessories because you can't really layer in the summer. Springtime, let's just chuck a white long sleeve under this. If we're running with the Disney Channel older brother vibe, Nickelodeon, the guy from iCarly, oh, let's pick up that blue jean while we're at it. A blue jean, a cold beer. Wait, that makes it seem really, oh no, I like this. Really casual and chill and like normal and cool and whatever. But then this is like, whoa. So I think that's really fun. This might be really freaking epic.
Okay, guess you feel sick. Okay, not like sick, I feel cool. Okay, that was an awesome introduction. This one's very cozy, and hey, I can actually see. I added some iPod shuffles to the bag straps. This is my one and this is my sister's one from when we were kids. What do you think? I think it goes really well, actually. I mean, maybe it's just the glasses, but something about this fit is kind of like, yeah, I'm nerdy and quirky and whatever. It's a really comfy outfit. Would definitely wear again. It's very low effort, but cool outfit. If you have been enjoying the outfits so far, please consider subscribing. I'm going to be doing a subathon on the 23rd of April, 6 p.m. BST on Twitch to help fundraise for my styling series that I do every year. It's really awesome. Hope that was convincing enough. I just don't have it in me to do an ad read right now. I'm sorry. We actually just did 2 jeans back to back. So let's bring it back to shorts. I got these at a charity shop. Oh my god! I got these shopping for someone else for SBS and I bought these for myself. These underneath jorts showing as boxers work as well really nicely, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm already using my jorts in the other. Okay, well I do have loads of blue t-shirts and like this would go so well, my weird fish t-shirt, but it's very baggy. Maybe one of my favorite t-shirts, my Billabong t-shirt. This is before I even knew what this brand was. They do like surfer stuff, but I found this in an Oxfam. Oh, that blue is actually quite similar. I could just do those 2 and then like leg warmers. But do I want to do leg warmers? What a stupid question. Should we just do the denim ones? They're these. Basically cut off the bottom of jeans and then put an elastic in between them. We could honestly just keep it realistic spring outfit inspo. I wear this jacket all the time. It's like my go-to. I guess it's a windbreaker, but also it's a great jacket to take off and sit on when you're like in a park. But now I've introduced red, I'm like, get this, a tie, boom, put that on your hip. 1 to go. Yeah. This one, I feel like it's an elevated version basic go-to outfit. Like I would wear these shorts. I would wear these shorts with this t-shirt, but the leg warmers and the tie are the accessories that like take it from like a usual outfit to a little bit more interesting. Yeah, and the great thing about this jacket, it does that thing that I love when it zips all the way up. Yes, yes. If it gets too warm, the t-shirt holds its own. Not much to say, it's just solid.
Okay, so number 4. I have actually been enjoying this recently. It's this really cute shade of green. I've been really into green recently. I really like the logo here. Like, how fun is that? So let's go with this being the main event. God, see, I love layering, but I'm looking at the other outfits. I love layering, but it's kind of repetitive. Shout out to my 5 outfits, 1 t-shirt video. There are other ways to layer t-shirts, not just long sleeves, but we could do another t-shirt underneath or a polo shirt. That could be fun. Those 2 together. I want to style my hat that I made in the last video. It's a little apple hat. It's very cute. I could either have it up or just have it like tied. Like that's kind of fun. I haven't styled this tie I made yet. Bottom half, I don't know. Maybe we just put on a go-to pair of jeans. Or maybe the jorts to be a little bit more. A little nicer. Yeah, let's just do the jorts.
Okay, I have to be quick. I'm running out of battery. I made this one really cute. I added this little bow. The hat does work up, but I think it's cute. It's kind of giving like the sailor thing. Do you know what I'm on about? And I added the tie here because I really like the logo, so I didn't want to cover it. That's why I put the ribbon instead. All the colors go so well together, and it feels like all of these pieces were like meant to be put together. 5 stars. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure to give a like and subscribe. Please join my subathon on the 23rd of April at 6 p.m. BST on twitch.tv/smidgezz. It's going to be awesome. There's going to be fun challenges and games, prizes, giveaways, all of the above, so that we can raise funds for the 4th season of SPS. I see you. Bye!